Independence Day. Before we begin the celebration of art, I would like to say few words on this auspicious day. Students, I want to firstly ask what freedom means to you in the true sense of the term. Does it simply entail doing what you want to do and having the utmost freedom to remain as free creatures? If this is what it entails for you, then let me tell you that you are living in a bubble of illusion, because with independence come a lots of responsibilities. Freedom without responsibilities simply leads to
warm greeting to all the teachers, admin staff member and lovely student. I hope this day find you the best of spirit. I have been serving as the principal of this school from past 11 years, and all this year our school has experienced a lot of up and down. But despite all odds, we stand here united with pride for the celebration of Independence Day. It therefore gives me immense pleasure to stand here in front of you all and address the Independence Day speech. Every year, our teachers as well as the students who put in all their efforts to make Independence Day celebration for memorable. And like always, I am delighted even today to look to the arrangement and preparation done by them within a limited period of time. All this really deserve appreciation and a big round of applause. This year, 15 August 2024 marked the 78th Independence Day, and it saw we have come a long way since then. After all this year, we still cherish that momentous day when the great freedom fighter of our country born Independence Day after a year of struggle. On this joyous occasion of Independence Day, we gather here to celebrate the birth of our nation. It is the day that reminds us for the sacrifices made by our forefathers and the price they paid to secure our freedom. As we raise our voice in joy and pride, let us also remember the responsibilities that come with being an independent nation. It is our duty to uphold the value of liberty.
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, भारत देश है मेरा, भारत देश है मेरा। से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब वैसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं, अब तो हमें साथी है, बस इतना ही कहना। तो पहले लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम,
All my friends, myself Atif Ahmed and I read in class 6A. Happy Independence Day to my teachers and my friends. Independence Day serves as a reminder that despite our differences in culture, language and tradition, we are all one nation. Today we are celebrating 78th Republic Day, Independence Day. India became a free country from Britishers on this day. This day is very important for us. This day we honor the freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for India's freedom. This special day is not just a celebration of the past, but it upholds the spirits of liberty and democracy for the years to come and instigates patriotic fervors that we will always protect our country by maintaining brotherhood, helping everyone, and educating ourselves. At last, I again wish you all a happy Independence Day and hope together we can build a wonderful nation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलकर के बोले अब तो यारा अपना रहा है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलकर के बोले अब तो यारा अपना रहा है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। चलते शरारे हैं, पानी के धारे हैं, हम काटे कटते नहीं। जो वादा करते हैं करके निभाते हैं, हम पीछे हटते नहीं।
बातें हैं, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके, ना मिटे, देश तो अपनी शान है। बातें हैं, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके, ना मिटे, देश तो अपनी शान है।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
I am Mari Parveen from class 9. I shall get to God an opportunity to present a speech. Good morning all of you. My name is Asania Parveen from class 9. Today on 15 August, India is celebrating 78th Independence Day. We are proud to say 78 years back we earned our freedom, which was an act passed by the British Parliament, and we were first to get our independence
as a sovereign, socialist, secular democracy republic, and we are really proud of that. But let me remind you all that independence was not the end of our struggle, it was just the beginning of our greatest challenge, and that was make this proud. Now, as a citizen of India, we are proud of its golden past. We had one of the oldest and the richest civilizations in the world. Today, we not only need to be proud of our glorious past, but also hope to our present and future better than your past. We need to make ourselves so capable that we can practice it present, and this can be only done when we work hard for it. And we can only work hard if we have a feeling of specialization and
अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, कब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये किस रंग सजाया छल्ला सिद्धे बन गए कमर जद तुरया तन गए मौत नू वाजा मारे विच कर कपदे सारे छल्ला सिद्धे बन गए कमर जद तुरया तन गए मौत नू वाजा मारे विच कर कपदे सारे ले लो गाड़ गाड़ ले छोड़ा पाड़ गाड़ ले लो गाड़ गाड़ ले छोड़ा पाड़ गाड़ माँ के पेट से मरगट तक है तेरी कहानी बग बग प्यारे दंगल दंगल सूरज तेरा चढ़ता डरता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल दंगल दंगल
झुके तेरे आगे से मेरी गोद में रखे तुझे सलाम इंडिया। झुके तेरे आगे से तेरी गोद में रखे तुझे सलाम इंडिया।
वंदे मातरम 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 मिट्टी में मिल जा दिल बन के मैं खिल जा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जा तेरे खेतों में मेरा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू जहाँ डाल डाल पे सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा
ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान तुझ पे दिल